got for sale this afternoon this gorgeous Harley Davidson 48. It is 2015 on a 15 plate and it's only got 1,408 miles on the clock. We've got Vance and Hines pipes, Screaming Eagle fuel pack. It's got the dual seat and we've also got the single seat conversion. This is a beauty. The paintwork, honestly, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I want nail varnish this colour, that's it. Absolutely minter of a bike. Come over, have a nosy. We do finance, we take part exchange, we take most things as payment. Let's start this bad boy up for you.